This is an emergency update if you hold XRP. The crypto market is crashing massively right now, and some are calling for an even bigger massive crash for XRP in altcoins. But here is the thing, I have some incredibly bullish news for you. The month of July historically is the most bullish month for XRP, and XRP this July is on the track to make the biggest moves XRP has ever seen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. But before we get into that portion, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you guys love XRP, put XRP in the comments below, but make sure you stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. With the war going on and all of the situationship taking place in the Middle East, I honestly think that is going to end very soon, and the markets, once that takes place, are going to pump very big, XRP included. We could potentially have a settlement, a peace, some type of deal this week regarding the situationship in the Middle East, and this is going to be one of the most bullish catalysts right now that's going to be pushing cryptos up once it takes place. So XRP is crashing, everything is crashing. If you guys buy right now, I personally bought some XRP. I've been telling you all a massive crash was going to take place. I bought some XRP, I bought a bunch of other altcoins. And if you guys join the Patreon, we ended up shorting and selling XRP. We ended up shorting the whole market and made a fortune. So if you guys want to follow my signals, join the Patreon right now. But let me go ahead and share with you guys what's taking place in the market. It's going to be absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys continue to stick around to the end. So check this out. XRP's best month is now coming. So historically, the month of July is the most bullish month for XRP. And now it's getting very, very close, very likely for the XRP ETF to be approved in the month of July. So this lines up perfectly with July being the most bullish month for XRP. If we go back in history, we can see very clearly that July has literally had the highest gains consistently, historically, for XRP ever. The chances of this repeating are very high as the crypto market continues to repeat its patterns over and over every single cycle. XRP bears take control as price drops below $2. So XRP right now, we're gonna take a look at the charts. People are panicking, people are fearful, and XRP is eyeing the $80, $60 support zones, which we've been talking about forever. People are calling for a doomsday scenario. Bitcoin breaking under 100K, but guess what? Bitcoin's back above 100K. Altcoins, everything is crashing because of the uncertainty in the Middle East. But what I can assure you is not financial advice. I'm very confident that there is going to be a peaceful solution, some type of deal very soon in the crypto market, and that is going to be very, very bullish. Uncertainty, not sure what all these countries are going to be doing. That's why people sell. When there's uncertainty, people sell. When there is certainty, people sell. So there will be certainty once this uncertainty ends, and that's going to end with some type of deal with Iran, Israel, and the United States. If we take a look here, we first start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin having a massive wick, breaking back above $100,000. $100,000 is a very good support so far for Bitcoin, and if this continues to hold, that's going to be very bullish for all cryptocurrencies. XRP also coming into our buy zone, and XRP is holding up. We are bouncing very strong the past hour or so. That is a very good sign. Possibly this is a bottom sign. This is the level that I called out a long time ago on this channel where I'm looking to buy XRP, and we hit our buy zone perfectly. We were calling this out months in advance, and that's amazing to see. We ended up selling XRP at the top, 260, and we ended up buying the dip and reselling around 233 again. So we did trade XRP. We ended up selling the top. You know, we bought at 40 cents, 50 cents. We traded the heck out of XRP in the Patreon. If you guys want to follow those signals, join the Patreon right now. We can even see this trade is up almost over $3,000. I just put a long alert for Ethereum in the group. You guys can follow signals like this. We had another trade up Bitcoin. I was up $4,000 last night. And we have spot that's about to be a massive profit. So you guys better get ready for that. But XRP so far is holding this key support zone. It should hold here. XRP should hold here, but it really depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to hold 100K, maintain it as support, altcoins are going to hold support, and we are going to be bouncing very, very strongly. Where I see XRP bouncing potentially in the next week or two is back to $2.30 to 40 cents. Somewhere here, XRP is probably going to be bouncing in the short term. And next month, if July is going to be the most bullish month, you know, for XRP, we could, based on how the market's moving with the ETFs, with rate cuts, XRP could be on track to making new all-time highs, and it's going to be incredible. Let me know your price prediction for XRP in the comments below. But if you guys are going to be trading, make sure you're doing it over on Blowfin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. They're giving you guys $10,000 deposit bonuses if you sign up using my link. And if you guys use my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, it gave you a sell alert for XRP before this massive crash, and now a buy alert is about to appear. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.